See children, we are seeing the finding the LCM using prime factorization method. Okay, one example we have seen. So let us see one more example. Find the LCM of two numbers 60 and 120. Let us find the LCM of 60 and 120 using prime factorization method. Prime factorization. So the LCM of 60 and 120 using prime factorization method. Okay, let us write the prime factors of 60 first, then write the prime factors of 120, then take the factors maximum number of times each factor occurs. Okay, that we have to take maximum number of times each factor occurs, that we have to take, then take the product of that, then we get the LCM. Let us write the factors of 60. Prime factors of 60. Prime factors of 60, that is 60, do the prime factorization. We can divide it by 2 because ones place it is 0. So let us divide it by 2. 2 in 6, how many 2's? 3. Then in 0, 0 times. So 30. Again we can divide it by 2. 1 time. 1 into 2 is 2. Balance 3 minus 2 we get 1. So 10. How many 2's are there? 5 2's. Now 15 can be divided by 3. 3 5's are 15. Now 5 1. So what are the prime factors of 60? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So when we multiply all these factors we get 60. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is 60. Now let us do the prime factorization of 120. That is prime factors of 120. 120. Let us do that. 120 we can divide it by 2. Because ones place it is 0, so we can divide it by 2. So in 12, how many 2's are there? 6. 6 2's are 12. So 6 and 0, 0 times 60. Now see, again 60 only, same factors will come. So again by 2, then 30 we get, again by 2, 15, then by 3 we get 5. So let us write 120, the factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These are the prime factors of 120. Now let us see each factor. How many factors are here? See, 2 is a factor, in both 2 is a factor, in both 3 is a factor, in both 5 is a factor. Okay, now we have to, in prime factorization, what we have to do is take the maximum number of times each factor occurs. Which are the factors? We have 2, 3 and 5. These are the 3 factors in both the numbers, isn't it? So now see 2, how many times it occurs? Let us count and see. Here in 60, 2 times. In 120, 1, 2, 3 times 2 is there. So when we write the LCM, we have to write maximum of these 2. This is 2 times, this is 3 times. So maximum is 3. Highest number of times 3 times it occurs. That means 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now see the next factor, that is 3. 3 here one time, here also one time. That means maximum is 1. So you write 3. Okay. Next factor is 5. Here one time, here also one time. That there you take only one time. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. This is the LCM of 60 and 120. 60 and 120. LCM of 60 and 120. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 3's are 24. 24 into 5. 5 4's are 20. 2 5 2's are 10 plus 2 12. 120. This is the LCM of 60 and 120. Okay, 60 and 120, the LCM is what? 120. I think it is clear. Now one more example, let us see. find the LCM of 12 and 68. Find the LCM of 12 and 68. LCM using prime factorization method. Using the prime factorization, find the LCM. Let us write the LCM. That is prime factors. The prime factors of 12. First we have to write the prime factors of 12. Let us factorize 12 divided by 2. 6 2s are 12. 2 3 times. 3 1. The prime factorization of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. Now let us write 68. 68 let us factorize 2. In 6 how many 2's? 3 2's are 6. In 8 how many 2's? 4 2's are 8. Again we can divide it by 2. In 3 how many 2's? Only one time. 1 into 2 2. 3 minus 2 we get 1. Balance. 14 how many times? 7 2's are 14. 7. So 17 is a factor. 17 is a prime number. 17 is a prime number. Again we cannot factorize. So 17 by 17 only we can divide. Right? So 17 one time. So let us write the prime factors of 68. Prime factors of 68. 2 into 17. Okay? These are the factors. Now let us write the LCM of 12 and 68. Is equal to 12 and 68. Let us write the prime LCM. That is, which are the factors? 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 17 is a factor. 2, 3 and 17. These are the factors. Now 2 maximum how many times? 2 here 2 times. Here also 2 times. So here 2 times, here also 2 times. 2 into 2, 2 times. Now 3 only one time, we can take only 3. Only 1 3. 17 one time, we can take 17. So 2 into 3 into 17. This is the LCM. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 into 17. 12 into 17, 7 2s are 14. 7 1 is 7 plus 1 8 2 1. LCM is 204. So children, I hope you understood how to do the LCM by prime factorization method.